Protecting yourself from the mental effects of consuming graphic content may involve turning off your phone more often, but mental health professionals say that's not always possible. MTN's Anissa Coomer spoke to a psychology professor at the University of Providence about the impact this exposure has and what you can do to protect yourself.
You don't have to go looking for graphic videos anymore. More often, they are just appearing in your social media feed.
Graphic content and violence has been a draw for millennia, right? Since the Colosseum, executions and all of that stuff.
Just recently, millions of people watched close-up videos of the killing of conservative activist Charlie Kirk. The footage spread instantly across platforms like TikTok and X. Dr. Michelle Hill, an associate professor of psychology at the University of Providence, says repeated exposure to violent images can lead to desensitization.
We learn how to separate ourselves from what we are watching, and that directly decreases the amount of empathy that we feel for somebody.
Hill says that constant exposure changes the way we process violence. And the increased availability of this type of content causes more anxiety to the public.
People have a tendency to think, well, not here, that wouldn't happen here, but those kinds of acts of violence are increasingly happening. We are watching it all of the time, and it's happening all of the time. It can elicit a lot of sadness, and a lot of fear.
Beyond the mental health impact, there's also the question of responsibility and whether social media platforms are doing enough.
I think that social media platforms have a responsibility to monitor that kind of content. The bigger question is, why are people accessing it? And what kinds of things can we as communities, as parents, do to monitor what they are able to access?
She says the best approach is open conversation, helping children and young adults process what they've seen.
Identify what kind of feelings they have, talk about why they're having those feelings, and being able to understand the people that we see that have these violent things happen to them. They are somebody's child, they're somebody's spouse. And when we can help kids connect that, we can help build empathy.
From violent crimes to horrific accidents, disturbing images are only one click away. But experts say how we talk about them and the support systems we build can help limit their impact. In Great Falls, Anissa Coomer, MTN News.